What's up, winners? We have some crazy stuff. Meghan is doing her largest ever attempt to overshadow Catherine's birthday attempt, and she's doing it by copying just about everyone. We're going to sprinkle some of the previous Markle attempts to overshadow Catherine throughout the video. Let me know if I missed any. And then, of course, we have Meghan copying Catherine herself. Let's check it right out. So, again, the first one ever, Catherine's birthday, and boom, we're leaving the royal family. That was number one, and they made the biggest possible announcement they could the day before. Now let's get to some more copying Meghan. Now, this one, we gotta give credit. This is from Reddit. Abigail and Meghan have the same outfit. It's gonna blow your mind the amount. Beige, so they're both doing some beige. And I just want to give credit to actual A on Reddit. That's not their entire name. What I'm doing is I want to give them credit, but I don't know if people want their full Reddit name. So I'm just putting part of it. So everyone who knows them will know their credit, but I don't know if they want that attention. Email me, anyone who wants their full name or wants nothing, winningcommunication24@gmail.com. Also, video recommendations. So all the same outfits all the time. I don't know if they think this is cute. I do think Abigail wears them a little better. I don't even know what to say. And Meghan has her like AI expression. Poor Meghan, when AI gets better, I mean, twinsies, it doesn't even need to be that good. Okay, so copying. Now, you guys hopefully saw Meghan Markle's Netflix trailer, and she was showing us her ladybug caprice. I'm sure I pronounced that wrong. Caprice? You guys can help me out with that. Anyways, apparently it's original. I don't know. This is what you find on Google. And then we're going to see probably what's the thumbnail, the worst one yet. So again, not very new Meghan. And it's like hundreds of results. Absolutely ridiculous. So, and then of course we have Meghan's, which is kind of the same thing, but it looks a little bit worse, like a little bit icky, a little bit weird. And number two of trying to overshadow Catherine, we have the day after Catherine's birthday, WAG. Oh yeah, what was it called? Spare comes out. Prince Harry's book. The largest possible announcement every single time. The day after, come on. Are these coincidences? So you have the two biggest announcements they've ever made, ever in their lives. Leaving the royal family and his book. Largest announcements they ever made, maybe aside from getting married or pregnant, which they did at someone else's wedding. So it's every time. And they announced it within a day of Catherine's wedding. Now we have Meghan's copycat Netflix nonsense, and it's the perfect time. The trailer comes out a few days before, the actual show comes out a few days after. It's almost like she calculated, when will I get the most possible attention? We have Meghan's friend talking about how accessible it is. Now, I think that's just arrogant. It's like people say things are accessible when they're not, right? Like it's supposed to be like, this person's so great. Aren't they so good for being accessible to you? And then finally, the copying gets worse and worse and worse and worse and worse. Oh yeah, sorry guys, I almost forgot one. Catherine's birthday, there was a private phone call to her. Now, I think, this might have been 2022. Guys, you correct me in the comments. I think I got the wrong, put the wrong year there. How do we know about all these private videos, these private phone calls that are put out by the Markles? Like every single one. Every single one. And from what I read, it was released from a source close to the Sussexes. So, again, all their PR stuff gets released. They have their cat's paws, like eyebrows. I try not to insult people's looks, but that's a choice. Someone called him that, and that is so funny. Eyebrows. And we have some more copying. So you guys, I'm sure a lot of people talking about Emma Thine. Sorry if I'm saying her name wrong. She has a show. Meghan is copying the exact same type of thing, same formats. The background's the same. Emma is actually Nigerian. Meghan pretends to be Nigerian. So I imagine Meghan's very much aware. And then finally, Catherine Beekeeping. And boom, Meghan, whoops, a little bit fast. We have Catherine's Beekeeping. That's a real thing. I mean, sorry guys, my throat. I was losing my voice, so I've come. Catherine Beekeeping to end it off. And then, of course, Meghan Beekeeping. And a little surprise at the end here. I was just looking up. Michael Steed is directing Meghan's show, so he's going to get Markled. He directed parts of Anthony Bourdain, Parts Unknown, which is a really legit show. So, sorry, buddy. He's falling down. Thanks for watching, everybody. Subscribe and take care.